Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Chavi Sompura. Northern China flash flood kills 10. 2 missing as country battles extreme weather. At least 10 people died in a flash flood in northern China, state media reported on Sunday, with 2 others still missing, as the East Asian monsoon continues to unleash atmospheric chaos across the world's second largest economy. The banks of a river in grassland of Inner Mongolia gave way around 10 p.m. on Saturday, sweeping away 13 campers on the outskirts of Bayanur, a key agricultural hub. According to state news agency Xinhua, a search and rescue operation involving more than 700 people is underway. China has suffered weeks of extreme weather since July, battered by heavier than usual downpours with monsoon stalling over north and south. Meteorologists attribute the shifting weather pattern to climate change, straining officials as flash floods displace thousands and put billions of dollars in economic losses at risk. Bayanur is an important national grain and oil production base, as well as a sheep breeding and processing center. In southern Hainan province, a 3.5-month fishing ban ended on Saturday. State media reported after agricultural authorities had earlier ordered vessels to remain in port due to prolonged heavy rainfall. Severe weather on Friday killed 2 people and injured 3 others in the southwestern province of Xinhua at a beer festival in the city of Mayanzhou after a truss fell over them, according to the local police report on Saturday. The flooding in Inner Mongolia comes after torrential rains in Beijing, about 1,000 kilometers away, late last month that killed at least 44 people and forced over 70,000 residents to evacuate. The central government announced last week 430 million yuan in fresh funding for disaster relief, taking the total allocated since April to at least 5.8 billion yuan. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.